Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to show you how to give different bullets in different columns in MS Word. So earlier I have already explained about these steps, like how to give different bullets in different columns in MS Word, and if you want to search that you can just find on YouTube. You can also search other my videos regarding MS Word by just giving text MS Word and key digital software in YouTube search box. So let's start. Friends, so I want to break this section like fruits name into columns, and for breaking it I have also explained in previous videos, like you have just click above the line and click on go to page layout and go to page setup, and from breaks option click on continuous, and just after the line you just have to follow the same step, like go to breaks and click on continuous. And if you want to break this in two columns, you just have to go to the line or in between, like you want to give these text in first column and these in second column, so you just have to click here, and after that you just have to click on columns and give here 2. And if you want to make it appear here, like here are 2 columns and let some fruits be in the column first, so here are column first. And if you want to give bullets, like I am giving bullets here and bullets here, here are bullets now. And if you want to give more bullets, like you just have to click on enter and you can see that bullets now here are